everyone, today I'm going to make non-dairy ice cream. I'm going to make two, one strawberry and one chocolate. So on my previous video I made a non-dairy ice cream without the ice cream maker. So it was very good, but it was the ice cream was hard when I froze it. So I decided I'm gonna try. Yesterday I bought a ice cream maker. So this is going to be the first time I'm gonna make non-dairy ice cream with the ice cream maker. So first I have this frozen strawberries. Now I did not buy the fresh one because that's what I have in the refrigerator. If you have fresh strawberries, you're certainly you can certainly use that one. So I split it. This one here, I have a little bit here. I cut it up, and because it's frozen, I'm gonna warm it up a little bit, and I'm gonna put sugar, and then I'm gonna crush it. I want to have a little texture on my ice cream, so I'm gonna just cut in small pieces, and then this one, it will go with our milk. Okay, so I'm going to put just a little bit of sugar, and just warm it up in the microwave. So now I am going to mix the sugar on here, and I'm actually going to put it in here, but I won't make it too fine. So So then I'm going to put the rest of my ingredients. These are the frozen strawberries. And 2 cans of the coconut. What I'm going to do, because I'm putting a little bit more ingredients, I don't want it to overflow on my ice cream maker, so I'm not going to put all of this. I'm going to save the probably 1/4 of this for my chocolate. So what I use is the milk and the cream. I know some recipes you can use both coconut milk. Sometimes I get confused. So some recipes require that you use cream. Some recipes require that you use milk. So what I did is just do 1 can milk and 1 can cream. But like I said, for the strawberry, I'm not gonna put everything on here. Save a little bit. So I'm going to put 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon, 1 pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 cup raw honey. And then we all mix it up. I'm gonna check the sweetness. Let's see. It's not very sweet. I'm gonna put a little bit more honey. It's not very sweet. So you can adjust. So now I'm going to add my crushed strawberry, and I'm just gonna do pulse so that it's gonna get incorporated, but not, you know, I want to have a little texture. So now I'm going to transfer it to this pitcher, so I'm going to put it in the refrigerator while I'm making chocolate. Hi, so now I'm going to make the chocolate ice cream. So first we're going to put in our 2 cans of coconut. I'm going to put in my leftover coconut from my strawberry. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. This 3/4. This is pure maple syrup, and I'm going to put 3/4 cup. One pinch of salt. It's good. Not very sweet. Oh, this is so good. Not very sweet. Like it. So then I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator while I'm gonna prepare the ice cream maker.